Hey YouTube, it's Aisha here with another video for you guys. In today's video, I want to take a stab at organizing our master bathroom. And when I say organizing, I mean cleaning out the drawers, getting rid of some old products and stuff that we don't use, that we just have for no apparent reason, and just kind of clearing it out and making things a little easier for us to grab and put back in an organized fashion. So I'm going to do my side of the bathroom, my drawers and under my cabinets and all that good stuff, and then my husband's side as well. And I'm also going to take a stab at cleaning out the linen closet. So I purchased some baskets and some containers, and I just want to see how it all meshes together, just to make for a cleaner look in our master bathroom. Okay, YouTube, it is day 2 of organizing my master bathroom. I finally finished. Took longer than I thought, but I want to show you exactly what I did on both my side, my husband's side, and our linen closet. So on my side, there's these 3 cabinets or drawers, and in this one we had all of our medicine and stuff like that. So I kind of organized it and got these little containers from the dollar store and was just able to separate the medicine out. And it's easy to just come in here, grab something, and put it back where it was, so there's just not medicine flying all over the place. So that turned out great. And then in this drawer, which is still a work in progress, my husband has to go through these things. He just got some clippers, but there's a few odds and ends in these boxes. So once he gets those out of there, we'll have this space. But since these are in here, I decided to put all of my curlers and flat irons and dryer and stuff like that in here. The iron goes in here too. We have to have a separate iron from what our kids use because it'd be a hot mess. So all of the electrical gadgets are in here, so to speak, for the hair. And then in this one, it's kind of like a first aid drawer. So it has our masks, there's some gloves in here, alcohol, witch hazel spray, ace bandages, things like that are in this drawer. Home personal masks that we got made as well. So all of that stuff is in here. And like I said, it's in its compartment. The little basket's in here, so everything is not flying all over the drawer once you open it, so it's easy to replace. So that's that. I didn't get a chance to get to this drawer. It's kind of like my jewelry and stuff like that, so I need to work that out, fix that. In here, the combs, brushes, headbands, all kinds of stuff. Pins, bobby pins, and then under here is like my little scarves and shower caps and stuff like that. So it's much better the way that is. And then my personal cabinet here, which I have more hair products, medicine. The front basket is what I use daily, so that's up there. And then back there is just stuff that I use every now and again, but it's back there. So luckily those fit. Eventually I want to get some pull-out drawers that we can probably have in here so that we can have a little bit more space to work with. So, but for now, that is how my little side turned out. Going on over here to Michael's side, this little drawer here, I was able to put his clippers in here that he uses often. A few brushes, little packets that house his clippers and little scissors and stuff like that. That's in that drawer. Then under his cabinet, which is a lot better, we have all of his hair products and stuff when he does cut hair or if he cuts anyone else's hair. And then mostly on this side is a little bit more personal stuff. And then for the linen closet, so much better. Oh my God, just amazing. Well, so much better. So at the top, I got the baskets, and in them I have like my curlers, my curl formers, and curling rods and things like that up there. I also have some like little wipes for my face and makeup wipes in one of the baskets, and then the other basket I have like my blood pressure monitor and things like that. So that is up there, and that is so much space right there. So I'm kind of gonna think of something to do. If you have any ideas of what I can do right here, comment down below and let me know. I could probably get some other shelving or something in there to utilize that space, because I used to have our comforters up there, so I took those down and put them somewhere else. In this basket I have our sheets, and then in this basket here I have our wash towels in both of those baskets. And then I was able to get these little containers from the dollar store and house Q-tips and cotton swabs, and then I put extra bars of soap in here when we need those. And then these are dry towels, and then I have hand towels here. And then I took all of the tissue out of the little racks. We buy a ton of wipes around here. We use those, so I was able to put all of them in there. There's a little, what do you call it? Because I don't get on it. Scale. And then our Febreze and our little laundry pellets back there. So there's a lot more space. This was filled with so much junk on the floor. You can now see what's going on. Hopefully it stays like that. I'll try my best to make sure it does. But that is pretty much what I was able to do last night with organizing my master bathroom. And I think it turned out pretty well. I mean, I can see what's going on. I eventually will get some, for Michael, because he has jewelry, I will get some little stands where you can actually hang necklaces and stuff like that, because he actually needs somewhere for that to go. And that may go in here, I'm not sure. But comment down below and let me know what you think. That is our linen closet. So YouTube, I am completely done with organizing our master bathroom. Of course, there's always things that I buy and things that I'll think of to do, but I'll make sure to update you if I add anything spectacular or anything, major until we actually do our remodel of the bathroom. Comment down below, like I said, let me know what you think. If you have any ideas, comments, I'd love to hear them. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get a chance to see my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.